Videos in your website can improve the engagement of your visitors, but if they are not managed well, then they can result in poor user experience. In this video, we'll see how to easily drop in, optimize, and customize videos in a Svelte application using the Svelte Cloudinary SDK. Whether video is the focus of your website or not, they can create excitement and provide more visual context, which can be very helpful to users. But when it comes to media content in general, as helpful as they are, there are also many considerations to be made, mostly geared towards performance. You don't want such content slowing down your page and as a result affecting the experience of your users. We've looked at how to optimize images in previous videos, and you should see one of those videos in the card at the top. But in this video, we'll look at how the Svelte Cloudinary SDK can also be used for videos. So let's see some examples. You should already have the Svelte Cloudinary SDK set up on your Svelte application. Then the first thing you want to do is to import the CldVideoPlayer component from the Svelte Cloudinary package. And now that we have that, I can use this with a video here. I have this video on my Cloudinary dashboard with the name CLD sample video in the folder samples. So I can pass that as a public ID to the SRC attribute with my width and height dimensions. And coming back to this application, I now have this video. And just by doing this with this component, thanks to Cloudinary, we already get an optimized version of this video, which will result in good user experience. But there are other things you can do with this component to customize how it looks. And one thing you can do with this component is to customize the colors on the UI. So by specifying this object to the colors property, accent of orange, base of light green, text of black, by coming here, if I play the video, you can already see that we have the theme changed. Another thing you can change is the font family. So if I specify a font face and I use monospace, for example, the text on the controls are now going to have that font family. Let's look at another example. You can also apply transformations. Here I apply a transformation where I use an image I have in Cloudinary, specify a width for that image, and position that image where I would like it to be on the video with an opacity of 40. And if I play this video, you can see the logo at the bottom right. You can think of this example as a watermark, but you can apply even more transformations. Let's look at more examples. You can see when I play this video, it has the Cloudinary logo here, of which when I click on it, it takes me to cloudinary.com. But I can also customize that by passing a logo property with an object where I have what the destination of that logo is going to be when it's clicked, and I also have the image URL. Now if I should play this video, you can see I have this logo here instead of the Cloudinary logo that it was before. And one last example, you can listen to some events on the video player. You have events like on pause and on play, and this allows you to execute code when these events are triggered. So let me open my console here. For the on pause, I do console log video is paused, and then I log the current time, which I get from the player argument object that is passed to the callback function. And for on play, I have something similar. Console log video is played, and then I get the current time. And now if I play this video, you can see that the event is triggered and my callback runs here. And if I pause this video, it also runs and I have this. You can use this event for many other interesting things depending on your use case. And you can also refer to the configuration page for this component where you can see the different properties available to you, the different events that you can listen to, and many more. Next up, let's learn how to upload videos or other media files from your Svelte application to Cloudinary.